Welcome to our tutorial on how to block the creator of a list on Twitter using your PC. Let's guide you through the steps to remove yourself from a list created by another user. Start by visiting your profile page on Twitter. Navigate to the Lists tab in the navigation menu and click on it. Click on the More icon located next to the New List icon. Select Lists you're on to view the lists you are a part of. Choose the specific list you want to remove yourself from. Click on the profile of the list creator. Next, click on the More icon next to the Share icon. Finally, click on Block next to the profile handle of the list creator to block them. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your list memberships on Twitter and block the creator of a list if needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you block the creator of a list on Twitter. Take control of your list memberships and interactions on Twitter by utilizing the blocking feature when necessary. Start managing your list memberships on Twitter today for a more customized and secure social media experience.